UGC NET JRF exam, History Solved paper, June 2014, paper 3. Note, this paper contains 75 objective type questions of 2 marks each. All questions are compulsory. Directions, question 1 to 5. Read the following passage carefully and choose the correct answer of the questions that follow. In the middle of the 4th century of the Christian era, something resembling a volcanic eruption took place in the history of the human race. The Hunas, like a veritable stream of lava, issued from their homeland on the northern shores of the Caspian Sea and spread over Europe and Asia. Homeless and lawless, they rode their horse awake and asleep. Their fierce yells spread terror wherever they were heard. They engaged all the civilized peoples of the world in fearful cataclysmic wars, and wherever they could, they killed, destroyed, burnt, and devastated with demoniac ruthlessness. In Europe, Attila the Hun brought about the downfall of even the powerful Roman Empire. About AD 455, the Hunas began to enter India. Emperor Skandagupta drove them back by a supreme effort. 12 years later, he died. The outpost of the empire, already weak, could offer no further resistance. The barbarian hordes, after passing through Persia and destroying the Kushana rulers of the northwest, began to pour into India. A war of succession appears to have followed the death of Skandagupta, weakening the empire in the horror of its danger. Next, in order of succession, 5 emperors including Narasimhagupta Baladitya between AD 500 and 570 held precarious sway over parts of the empire, which in spite of its decadence was still a name to conjure with. Many parts of the empire outside the bounds of the compact core of the empire became independent. In Saurashtra, a province of the empire, the Maitraka general practically threw off his allegiance on the death of Skandagupta. By AD 512, the Hunas under Toromana overran North India up to Iran in the Saugar district of Madhya Pradesh. Toramana's son, Mikhirakula, a veritable terror, spread fire and carnage from the Punjab to Gwalior, and by AD 525 became the master of a vast territory. Northern Indian soon recovered from the shock of the barbarian impact and resisted Mikhirakula. Question number 1. Who was the imperial ruler of India in the middle of the 4th century AD? A. Chandragupta I, B. Chandragupta II, C. Samudragupta, D. None. And the answer is option C, Samudragupta. Question number 2. The Hunas were accompanied in India by which other Central Asian tribes? A. Kushanas, B. Gujaras, C. Shakas, D. Pallavas. And the answer is option B, Gujaras. Question number 3. Who overthrew the Huna power from Malwa? A. Skandagupta, B. Sakhari Vikramaditya, C. Yashodharman, D. Pushyabuddhi. And the answer is option C, Yashodharman. Question number 4. Who drove Mikhirakula out of the Ganga valley? A. Narasimhagupta, B. Buddhagupta, C. Skandagupta, D. None of the above. And the answer is option A, Narasimhagupta. Question number 5. Which of the following is not correct? A. The death of Skandagupta coincided with the death of the Gupta Empire. B. The empire continued but the central control weakened after the death of Skandagupta. C. The local governors became independent after the death of Skandagupta. D. To the west of Kasi, the Gupta emperors exercised just titular control after the death of Skandagupta. And the answer is option A. The death of Skandagupta coincided with the death of the Gupta Empire. Question number 6. Ramakrishna Gopal Bhandarkar, who was a pioneer of modern historiography in India, belongs to A. Marxist school, B. Ranke school, C. Hegelian school, D. Toynbee School, and the answer is option B, Ranke School. Question number 7. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. Sovan culture, Lower Paleolithic culture, Nevasian culture, Middle Paleolithic culture, Bahor culture, Upper Paleolithic culture, Koldiva culture, Neolithic culture. Question number 8. What is the ratio of Harappan weight? A. 1:2:3:4. B. 1:2:4:6. C. 1:3:6:9. D. 1:4:8:10. And the answer is option B. 1:2:4:6. Question number 9. Which of the following Chalcolithic sites has given the evidence of the use of copper but no stone tools? A. Ahar. B. Gilund. C. Kayatha. D. Navdatholi. And the answer is option A. Ahar. Question number 10. Under whose leadership the Battle of 10 Kings mentioned in the Rig Veda was fought against Sudasa? A. Vashistha. B. Vishwamitra. C. Kuru. D. Puru. And the answer is option B. Vishwamitra. 11. Which one of the following statements is correct about Sabha and Samiti in Rig Vedic times? A. Sabha has the representative of general class while Samiti has the representative of elite class. B. Sabha has the representative of elite class while Samiti has the representative of general class. C. Both Sabha and Samiti have equal proportion of representatives. D. The number of representatives in Samiti is greater than the number of representatives in Sabha. And the answer is option B. Sabha has the representative of elite class while Samiti has the representative of general class. 12. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Bimbisara was the earliest of Indian kings to stress the need for efficient administration. Reason R. The ministers of Bimbisara were hand-picked and he was reputed never to ignore their advice. In the context of the above two statements, which one of the following is correct? And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 13. The proportion of maximum and minimum salary of the government employees mentioned in the Arthashastra was A. 6,000:6. B. 48,000:6. C. 48,000:60. D. 6,000:60. And the answer is option C. 48,000:60. 14. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Trading economy began to flourish during the time of Buddha. Reason R. The Jains largely entered into trade, leaving agriculture. Read the above statements and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 15. Which one of the following rulers is claimed to have checked the mixture of Varnas? A. Pushyamitra Sunga. B. Vasudeva Kanva. C. Gautamiputra Satakarni. D. Pravarasena 1. And the answer is option C. Gautamiputra Satakarni. 16. Match list 1 kingdom with list 2 capital and select the correct answer with the help of the quotes given below. List 1 kingdom, list 2 capital. Kalinga, Dantapura, Avanti, Mahishmati, Asaka, Patana, Sovira, Ruruka. 17. Match list 1 type of stone with list 2 monument and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. Granite, Mahabalipuram. Red sandstone, Mathura. Schist, Bamiyan. Sandstone, Sarnath. 18. Which of the following texts describes the corrupt practices of the Kapalikas, Pasupatas and Buddhists? A. Mahavira Charita. B. Mattavilasa. C. Mrichikakitika. D. Uttara Brahmacharita. And the answer is option B. Mattavilasa. 19. The Padichupattu is a collection of poems in praise of which of one of the following? A. Chera. B. Sora. C. Kadamba. D. Pandya. And the answer is option A. Chera. 20. Given below are two statements. One labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason or assertion A. The Indianization of the Sakas was accelerated by their marriage contacts in India. Reasoner. Satavahana ruler Satakarni was the son-in-law of Sakakshatrappa Rudradaman. In the context of the above two statements, which one of the following is correct? And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 21. Match list 1 king with list 2 epithet and select the correct answer with the help of the quotes given below. List 1 king, list 2 epithet. Samudragupta, Parakramanka, Mahendravarman 1, Vichitrachitta, Pulakesin 2, Satyasraya, Sindhuraja, Navashahasankha. 22. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Text author. A. Upamithabhava Prapachakatha Udyothana Suri Badma Purana Ravishena Dravya Pariksha Thakuru Peru Yashastilakachamumpu Somadeva. And the answer is option A. Upamithabhava Prapanchakatha Udyothana Suri. 23. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. List 1. Circular temple plan. Bhairath at Jaipur. Star temple plan. South Kosala temple. Rectangular temple plan. Temple number 17 at Sanchi. Polygonal temple plan. Hoshala's temple. 24. The rulers of which dynasty of the Deccan have been described by the Arab writers as one of the four great sovereigns of the world? A. Rashtrakutas of Manyaketha. B. Chalukyas of Vatapi. C. Chalukyas of Kalyani. D. Mauryas of Konkan. And the answer is option A. Rashtrakutas of Manyaketha. 25. Match list 1 text with list 2 content and select the correct answer with the help of the quotes given below. List 1 text, list 2 content. Gaudavaho, exploits of Yashovarman, king of Kanyakuja. Nahananda, story of Bodhisattva Jimuttuvahana. Purananuru, 400 poems in praise of kings. Hahananuru, 400 love lyrics. 26. Which of the following statements are correct? 1. In the buildings, the Turk Sultans used the ark and dome on a wide scale. 2. Neither the ark nor the dome was a Turkish or Muslim innovation. 3. The Turks used fine lime mortar in their buildings. 4. The Turkish rulers did not use slab and beam method in their buildings. Select the correct answer from the quotes given below. And the answer is option C. 1, 2, 3. 27. Consider the following statements about the agrarian system under the Delhi Sultanate and Mughal Empire. 1. Alauddin Khilji imposed taxes called Charai and Ghari. 2. Muhammad bin Tughlaq imposed additional cesses called Abwaz on the peasants. 3. Under Akbar, Japt system of land revenue assessment was further developed and it came to be called the Shala system. 4. Jahangir introduced the Nask system of assessment. Which of the statements given below are correct? Select your answer from the quotes given below and the answer is option B. 1, 2 and 3. 28. Tariq-e Firuz Shahis are written by A. Jauddin Bharni and Amir Khusro. B. Jauddin Bharni and Shams-e-Shiraz Afif. C. Shams-e-Shiraz Afif and Nizami. D. Shams-e-Siraj Afif and Minhaj Siraj. And the answer is option B. Jauddin Bharni and Shams-e-Siraj Afif. 29. Post of Diwan Shagir and Muharrir should be given only to Al-e-Kholam and whose ancestors had served rulers and amirs, who expressed the above view? A. Minaj Siraj. B. Jauddin Barni. C. Fakhr-e-Mudhabir. D. Sultan Firuz Tughlaq. And answer is option C. Fakhr-e-Mudhabir. 30. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. List 1 Sufi saints. List 2 center of activity. Sheikh Momuddin Sisti, Ajmer. Sheikh Bahuddin Zakaria, Multan. Sheikh Faruddin Masood Kunj Sakhar, Azodan. Sheikh Nizamuddin Auliya, Delhi. 31. Khaji Kham is A. Bilingual revenue records. B. Records of Mansabdars. C. Jahir records. D. Records of Rozinadar troopers. And the answer is option A. Bilingual revenue records. 32. Which of the following medieval Indian rulers founded the city of Agra? A. Firuz Shah Tughlaq. B. Sikandar Lodi. C. Sher Shah Suri. D. Akbar. And the answer is option B. Sikandar Lodi. 33. Which of the following statements is correct? A. Bahmani rulers Firoz Shah was called Wali on account of his association with Sufi saints Gesudaras. B. Firoz Shah Bahmani was defeated by Vijayanagara ruler Devaraya I. C. Ahmad Shah Bahmani I shifted the capital from Gulbarga to Warangal. D. Ahmad Shah Bahmani I encouraged the pursuit of astronomy and built an observatory near Daulatabad. And the answer is option B. Firoz Shah Bahmani was defeated by Vijayanagara ruler Devaraya I. 34. Which of the following statements is not correct? A. Guru Nanak was thoroughly familiar with the politico-administrative arrangements made by the Afghan rulers, particularly in Punjab. B. He viewed Babur's invading army as a marriage party of sin. C. It was his conviction that God has no caste. He gives no consideration to caste. D. The Brahman and Khatri are not a part of the oppressive establishment. And the answer is option D. The Brahman and Khatri are not a part of the oppressive establishment. 35. Which of the following statements are not true? 1. Sher Shah built a new road from Lahore to Multan. 2. He ousted Mirza Hyder Daulat from Kashmir. 3. After the conquest of Marwar, he attacked Gujarat. 4. He introduced the system of Dhag and Shera. Select the correct answer from the quotes given below, and the answer is option B. 2, 3. 36. Consider the following statements about Akbar. 1. The concluding portion of Ain-e Akbari contains an extensive account of the thoughts and customs of India. 2. Sheikh Faizi was instructed by Akbar to undertake the translation of the Upanishads into Persian. 3. Akbar's preference for monogamy was first expressed in 1578 in a conversation with Sheikh Ibrahim Sirhindi. 4. Akbar issued an order in 1562-63 that women and children should not be enslaved when troops raided rebels or defiant villages. Which of the above statements are correct? Select the correct answer from the quotes given below, and the answer is option B. 1 and 4. 37. Who among the following religious groups introduced printing press in India in 1557? A. Franciscans. B. Dominicans. C. Jesuits. D. Protestant missionaries. And the answer is option C. Jesuits. 38. Which Mughal painter was unrivaled in depicting animals? A. Mir Said Ali. B. Bazawan. C. Ustad Mansur. D. Abul Hasan. 39. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. The East India Company eliminated the Portuguese and Dutch trade rivals by the end of 17th century. Reason R. The English traders sold goods of superior quality at cheaper rates. In the context of the above two statements, which one of the following is correct? Select the correct answer from the quotes given below. And the answer is option C. A is true but R is false. 40. Bombay, acquired by the English, originally belonged to the A. Portuguese, B. Dutch, C. Danes, D. French. And the answer is option A. Portuguese. 41. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. List 1 Chronicle, list 2 Author. Shahjahanama, Inayat Khan, Nuksha-e-Dilkusha, Bhimsen, Batmashanama, Abdul Hamid Lahori, Alamgir-nama, Muhammad Qasim. 42. Which of the following statements is not correct? A. Aurangzeb appointed Muqtasids in all the provinces. B. Aurangzeb continued to celebrate the festival of Nowruz. C. The largest number of Persian works on classical Indian music were written in Aurangzeb's reign. D. Aurangzeb himself was proficient in playing veena, and the answer is option B. Aurangzeb continued to celebrate the festival of Nowruz. 43. Consider the following statements. 1. W.C. Smith was among the first to speak of peasant revolts against the Mughal Empire. 2. He also argued that by its encouragement of commerce, the Mughal Empire brought about a considerable growth of middle class. 3. C.A. Bailey developed the great firm theory to explain the decline of the Mughal Empire. 4. J.F. Richards has argued that peasant resistance led to a serious agrarian crisis. Which of the following statements are not correct? Select the correct answer from the codes given below, and the answer is option C, 3 and 4. 44. Whose assertion is that Shivaji's Swaraj was nothing but the replica of Vatan? A. Andre Vink, B. V. A. Smith, C. A. R. Kulkarni, D. Jajunath Sarkar, and the answer is option A, Andre Vink. 45. Which of the following statements is correct? A. In Mughal India, the Jamindari right was both hereditary and saleable. B. All the villages were under the control of Jamindars. C. The Jamindar's share in the surplus produced was uniform all over the Mughal Empire. D. All the Jamindars were Malik-e-Jamin, and the answer is option A. In Mughal India, the Jamindari right was both hereditary and saleable. 46. Spending, not hoarding, was the dominant characteristics of the pattern of the life of the nobles. The above remark was made by option B, Moreland. 47. Arrange the following events in correct chronological order and select the correct answer from the code given below. The correct chronological order is 1. Propagation of Vaishnavit Bhakti by Ramananda. 4. Foundation of the Chishti Sufi order in the Deccan. 3. Close of the Ibadah Khana. 2. Compilation of Adigrantha. 48. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? A. Kharori, a revenue official in the Mughal administration. B. Khalisa, land from which revenue was directly deposited into the imperial treasury. C. Tarafdar, provincial governors under the Brahmani Sultanate. D. Paibaki, assignment of revenue in Jagir. And the answer is option D. Paibaki, assignment of revenue in Jagir. 49. Who among the following scholars argues that the pre-colonial Indian economy was progressing towards capitalism? A. A.I. Chishrov, B. A. Jan Kaiser, C. Irfan Habib, D. W.H. Moreland, and the answer is option A. A.I. Chishrov. 50. Given below are two statements, one labelled as assertion A and the other labelled as reason R. Assertion A. The British won the Battle of Plassey without any real fighting. Reason R. The Battle of Plassey gave the British a political foothold in Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. In the context of the above two statements, which one of the following is correct? And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 51. What was the main reason for the deindustrialization during the company period? A. Indian handicrafts could not withstand the pressure. B. Indian markets were flooded with cheap machine-made goods from England. C. Indian rulers could not extend patronage to native handicrafts. D. Local jagirdars and jamindars have disappeared, and the answer is option B. Indian markets were flooded with cheap machine-made goods from England. 52. Mercantilist, free trade, mercantile capitalism and finance imperialism are three successive phases of British colonialism. This theory was first formulated by whom? A. Karl Marx, B. Dadabhai Naoroji, C. R. C. Dutt, D. R. P. Dutt. And the answer is option A, Karl Marx. 53. Asiatic Society of Bengal was founded to promote A, Indian religions, B, the study of Indian languages and scriptures, C, Indian education, D, Indian customs. And the answer is option B, the study of Indian languages and scriptures. 54. Which of the following is popularly known as the Gadkari revolt? A, the activities of the Pindaris. B, the hereditary servants of forts who were threatened with disbandment. C, the revolt of the peasants and hill tribes in Maharashtra. D, the revolt of the Vaheras of Hukka Mandal. And the answer is option B, the hereditary servants of forts who were threatened with disbandment. 55. Which of the following are correct to describe the character of the Aligarh movement? 1. Anti-British. 2. Pro-British. C. Anti-Congress. 4. Pro-Congress. And the answer is option B, 2 and 3. 56. Which of the following was not a plantation industry in British India? A. Indigo. B. Wheat. C. Tea. D. Coffee. And the answer is option B, wheat. 57. By which act East India Company's monopoly over trade with India ended? A. Charter Act of 1813. B. Charter Act of 1833. C. Charter Act of 1853. D. Charter Act of 1873. And the answer is option A. Charter Act of 1813. 58. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the codes given below. List 1 place. List 2 year of annexation. Jhansi 1853. Sambalpur 1849. Awadh 1856. Nagpur 1853. 59. Given below are two statements, one labelled as assertion A and the other labelled as reason R. Assertion A. Lord Ripon passed the Ilbert Bill. Reason R. This put back the vernacular press on a footing of equality with the English press. In the context of the above two statements, which one of the following is correct? And the answer is option C. A is true but R is false. 60. Of the large number of Indians, 3 made outstanding economic analysis of British rule during the years 1870 to 1905. Who were they? And the answer is option A. Nauroji Ranade, R.C. Dutt. 61. Which of the following is correctly pat? A. Justice movement Bihar. B. Kakshata movement Karnataka. C. Lingayat movement Maharashtra. D. Namsudra movement Bengal. And the answer is option D. Namsudra movement Bengal. 62. The joint declaration on 20 November 1916, which came to be called the Non-Brahmin Manifesto, demanded the reservation for non-Brahmins in government jobs. This was the first collective demand for reservation raised in South India. Select the correct answer from the following. A. E.V. Ramasamy Nayakar and Thanikachalam Chetty. B. Dr. T.M. Nair and Thegaraja Chetty. C. Raja of Panangal and Subbrayan. D. Raja Bopili and K.V. Reddy Naidu. And the answer is option B. Dr. T.M. Nair and Thegaraja Chetty. 63. Which was the first modern trade union in India? A. Bombay Trade Union 1919. B. Calcutta Labour Union 1914. C. Madras Labour Union 1918. D. Ahmedabad Trade Union 1919. And the answer is option C. Madras Labour Union 1918. 64. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the codes given below. List 1 association, list 2 place. Ranumai Mazdayan Shaba, Bombay. Darul Uloom, Deoband. Nadwa ul Ulema, Lucknow. Mohammedan Educational Conference, Aligarh. 65. A woman who, while receiving her degree from the governor of Bengal, shot him was A. Kalpana Datta, B. Bina Das, C. Pritilata Vadedhar, D. Shanti Ghosh. And the answer is option B. Bina Das. 66. Who was called the father of the assembly for being a member of the Central Legislative Assembly for 26 years? A. Narayan Malhar Joshi. B. Madan Mohan Malviya. C. M.R. Jayakar. D. Tej Bahadur Sapru. And the answer is option A. Narayan Malhar Joshi. 67. Who along with Tilak was the editor of the newspaper Keshari and Maratha? A. Shivarampant Paranjit. B. G.G. Agarkar. C. Bal Shastri Jambekar. D. Raghunath Karve. And the answer is option B. G. Agarkar. 68. Which act was nicknamed as the Gagging Act? A. Indian Councils Act 1909. B. Transfer of Power Act 1947. C. Regulating Act 1773. D. The Vernacular Press Act 1878. And the answer is option D. The Vernacular Press Act 1878. 69. On which one of the following issues a resolution was passed after the debate at the Haripura session of the Congress in 1938? A. To work for the fundamental rights of the people. B. To support people's movement in princely states. C. That to extend support to British government against Germany. D. To work for communal harmony. And the answer is option B. To support people's movement in princely states. 70. Name the historian about whom Aurobindo Ghosh said he prepared the public mind for the boycott movement. A. Dadabhai Naoroji. B. R.G. Bandarkar. C. R.C. Mazumdar. D. Ramesh Chandra Dutt. And the answer is option D. Ramesh Chandra Dutt. 71. Who of the following was popularly known as the firebrand of South India? A. Radhakrishnan. B. E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar. C. Kasturi Ranga Iyengar. D. S. Satyamurthy. And the answer is option D. S. Satyamurthy. 72. Who among the following philosophers contributed to the theory of social contract? A. T. Hobbes and J. Locke. B. J. Locke and J. J. Rousseau. C. T. Hobbes, J. Locke and J. J. Rousseau. D. J. J. Rousseau. And the answer is option C. T. Hobbes, J. Locke and J. J. Rousseau. 73. Who among the following is considered as an originator of postmodernism theory? A. Michael Foucault. B. Jacques Derrida. C. Martin Heidegger. D. J. F. Lyotard. And the answer is option C. Martin Heidegger. 74. Which of the following statements is inapplicable to define the meaning of enlightenment? A. It meant a victory brought by the forces of light over those of darkness. B. It did not range over the fields of knowledge which had once been the province of the church. C. It is equated with the age of reason. D. It is the liberation of man from his self-imposed minority. And the answer is option B. It did not range over the fields of knowledge which had once been the province of the church. 75. Which one of the following works is an unfinished one of the Annales School of Historiography? A. The Earth and Social Evolution. B. The Mediterranean and the Mediterranean World in the Age of Philip II. C. The Royal Touch. D. The Historian's Craft. And the answer is option D. The Historian's Craft.